friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm doing a review on plant therapy essential oils. This is my series where I go through a essential oil company's website and I look for all the things that I need to see for good quality, where they source their oils and all of the different things. So I'm going to go through their website because this is how we shop online, right? So this is how we do our research on a company that we're going to use, and you need to be using a good quality essential oil. It's 2024, so you need to be using one that checks all the boxes because there are too many great ones to be using one that's not. So let's go to Plant Therapy's website. This is planttherapy.com. And just FYI, before we start this video, I already use Plant Therapy. If you watch my videos, you know that. And I am an affiliate with them. So this is just added to my list. I do all kinds of different brands though. So I don't just do the brands that I use. So let me know what brand you want me to do this review on, and I will add it to my list. Plant Therapy is great. Spoiler alert. So this is planttherapy.com. They do have a sale going on right now. That's what I love about Plant Therapy, Revive, and Rocky Mountain. They always have sales, which I love. I'm a sucker for a good sale. Let's check out their tabs. So they have a shop tab with essential oils, body care, skin, household. I love when companies have all of these different products because you're using essential oils probably because you want to clean up your house and make sure that you're using minimal toxins and chemicals in your home. So when you're using essentials, a lot of people like to make their own products, but if you aren't into that, you want to have them available here so that you can just buy them and know they're safe. So anyways, that's my little spiel on that. But diffusers, supplements, even we didn't know about. I actually haven't placed a Plant Therapy order in a while. So supplements, accessories, new therapy box. Okay, so I have a bunch of different things. Next is their Learn tab, which is really important to me. Because I like an essential oil company's responsibility to first have great quality oils, but also to teach you how to use them. So they have a blog, Essential Oils 101. This is very similar to the video I just did on this website. Actually is very similar to Eden's Garden, another brand that we love too. So they have a blog, Essential Oils 101. Why Plant Therapy? They have a subscription, which I guess I didn't realize. Shops, so they have different collections. We love their Kid Safe collection. They have tons of great products already formulated and diluted, great for kids. They have a skincare quiz and a supplement quiz. I didn't know that, so that's fun. So you can shop all different products. Let's just go to one of their, they have Prime. Another great reason to shop Plant Therapy is that they are a legit seller on Amazon, and so you can just grab them quickly. It's convenient to get them on Amazon. Let's go check out one of their listings because this is what we look into. So singles, and we'll check a couple different. So first of all, you want to make sure their pricing is in the ballpark and that they're not all the same price because they're sourced from different places. They're made in different ways sometimes, and so they're not all the same price. It isn't the same price to obtain essential oils individually. So is for a 10 ml bottle, and Plant Therapy I think is on the lower end of pricing, but $79 for 10 ml. And I do just so quickly, I will compare to Revive. We do lavender. Let's see. Yeah. So Revive's 10 ml is $9. And so we're $1 away. So that's super close. And then Simply Earth is the other brand that I compare to just because they're always around the ballpark too. And they have different sizes. So this one will probably be, whoops. So for their 15 milliliter bottle of lavender is $14, just to give you a quick comparison. Once you start doing a lot of research like this and looking into different ones, you'll just know in the back of your head kind of ballpark amount that they should be. This one has how to use, safe for, and on the bottle, you want to make sure it has right here. It didn't go to the back. Okay, all of them. Let's just look quickly here. So on the back, we'll have the ingredients listed, and that should be the Latin name, botanical name, so lavandula angustifolia, and then some safety info, cautions. It's good. But I'm also looking for all of that here too. So how to use, okay, it does give you an abundance of info, which is what we're looking for. That's what we want. So diffuse into the air, add a few drops of carrier. It's kid safe, nursing safe, pregnancy safe, pup and pony safe. Botanical name again here. Shelf life is always great to know. Keep out of reach of children if pregnant. Okay, so that seems generic right here. Additional info. Lavender is generally a really safe oil to use for a lot of different things and people. So we'll look at a different oil to get specific, but reports, This is also what we're looking for. So should have their test results on hand just to click and go to. So we'll just click on the first one. They have their oils tested. This is a familiar test to me. I can't remember what brand, but this is, I think, a Canadian brand. So we have the analysis date was September 20, 2022. Let me look at this other one quickly just to see if it's newer. If I clicked on the right one. Okay, so there might be newer. It has a date here of January 2024. Internal code type, source, customer, checked by. Okay, so this is the newer one. But anyways, they have them listed here. And this is a legit GCMS test. Is third-party tested also, which is my preference because it just gives another layer of accountability. This one has, yeah, all of the constituents listed, the percentage. And also, I like this. It has what type of constituent it is. So whether it's a monoterpene or an alcohol or an ester or whatever it may be. So that's thorough. And then what is this? The other part of it. Okay, so you want to make sure that just get those quickly. Okay, so you want to make sure that's listed there and that it's current. I don't go too far in depth into those. I'm not like super picky, but I just want it to be available. So what I usually go over are, do they third-party test? The pricing, which we already talked about. Are they transparent? They are very transparent with all of their things. Third-party safety information specific to each oil. So let's go to bergamot, which is generally, like I usually do bergamot just because I know it well. It should just have that phototoxic information here. So bergamot, it's citrus bergamia. Let's see if it has it on the bottle. I'm going to scroll through again. Zooms you way in. Okay, so it does kid safe on the front, which so diffusing 3 to 4 drops per 100 mils, or using a personal inhaler, which is a great way to use essential oils. Topical, dilute to 2 to 5% in a carrier. So unless this is FCF, which means they've taken out the part that makes it phototoxic, they're just missing that on the bottle, which is kind of, let's see. Disclaimer. No, info. Okay, so in a very brief, like little sentence here, additional information. I don't like how far I had to look for that, but if applied to skin, ensure limit ensure exposure of certain compounds in bergamot, which is the bergaptan, and heighten the skin sunlight sensitivity. So that's kind of vague and not very like prominent on this, which I want it to be more, but they do have it on there nonetheless. So that's something I'll look for. So then the GCMS testing, and that they're up to date and that they're third-party testing. So Plant Therapy checks all the boxes. They're available on Amazon, which is super convenient. We use them. I also like a lot of their other products. I use their, let's see if they have them here, just their hydrosols. So hydrosols are great, especially if you have kids and you want something more gentle, but kind of the same benefits. We use their helichrysum hydrosol. We just used it last night. We have a big scrape from the water park. So this one is great to have on hand because it's great for so many different things, very versatile, kind of like lavender, but kind of in a healing way. So I recommend if you're going to get some of the hydrosols, the lavender also have rose, but it's not as much. Lavender is great for after sun, and then helichrysum is great for skin. They also have this brand new after sun spray. I don't know what essential oils they have in here though. It's brand new. I haven't tried it yet. Let's see. So lavender, peppermint, aloe vera, vitamin E. That is a great combo for after sun. I just use the lavender hydrosol though, and it works really great. But you can make your own products like that. But that is, I think, it for Plant Therapy. We love them. They're great price. They check all of our boxes and they're really convenient. And I like that they have a lot of kid safe type of products and a variety of products. So if you're interested in them, the link will be down below. But again, we are an affiliate, just disclaimer. But let me know what questions you have on Plant Therapy and what brand you want me to do this type of video on next. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.